in the building. Girl, you look smashing. I love what you're wearing, man. Is it Gucci?
No, it's not.
It looks like Gucci.
Nah. It's one of those things.
Where's your calipo?
It didn't free Joe.
I know bring some today.
No. If I bring some, I go destroy people. I know one problem. I just.
Are you performing tonight, though?
Yes, I am. I'm
here for the rehearsal?
Yes, I am.
What's the experience been for you so far?
For me, it's been amazing because, you know, I'm just a regular girl who loves music. I'm being on the same stage with big artists. It's a big plus for me. So, yeah, I'm super excited.
That's a big question. What are you giving your audience tonight? Of course, the fans. What should they expect from you?
I really know that the judge, everything's crazy.
Any craziness? Any bikinis on stage? We know how crazy you get with your outfit. What are you wearing on stage tonight?
I'll just say watch out.
Watch out,
yeah.
The fear says watch out. So indeed you need to keep your eyes on your television and of course make sure you are here. Thank you so much, Stefia, for speaking to me. Now I just spotted Kitty and of course DJ Varosky. They have a new banger. Hopefully they get to perform the track. Yeah, yo. Just Kitty. What up? It's the Link Squad. Hey. Shaku. Let's go. No, not Giovanni. No. Let's do our own shaku. Hey, then let me also do it. Hey, to you. It's to you. Hey. Wait, guys, am I doing it right?
Why are you calling?
I don't know. Anyway, guys, so what are we expecting from you, DJ Varosky, tonight?
You should just expect DJ Varosky. It's just going to be fun. It's going to be a party, turn-up session, no dull moment. I had to just charm and go home. That's what we're doing.
What went into preparation for tonight?
You
kill it every time. Well, he's the award-winning DJ, the current DJ of the year.
You made it happen. You told them you made it happen.
We made it happen. Yeah. Together, man.
So basically, I've been rehearsing, trying to feed off the vibe from people every time. So I've been watching my old videos, funny enough, to see what I did last year to do better this year. So basically, I'm just here to turn up, party straight up. That's what we're doing here.
Nice. And you have a new banger with Kwame Eugene and who else?
And
Mayokun. And yourself.
Straight up, of course.
Okay.
This is my song.
A little birdie told me this song was meant for Ghana meets Naija. How true is that? You did a song specifically because of Ghana meets Naija.
And also, you know, after the Ghana DJ Awards, I won, and I was thinking that, Charlie, it's for all the winners out there. So it's another way of saying all I do is win, which is my favorite track, by the way. So we never the carry last. We would never, ever carry last.
Okay. Have you ever performed on stage as a musician?
Am I a musician?
But you have to join them do the thing there. You make musician right now.
DJ qualities.
But you have to be on stage to do something, man. Show the ladies how it's done. Kitty, stop talking to the ladies and talk to me. Am I not fine enough?
Oh, you're pretty.
Charlie.
You got nice hips and what? You know how we do.
My boyfriend is watching.
Which one is that? Let me kill him.
No, I know. Madam, how are you doing, Kitty? You look really dapper. I love your outfit.
Thank you. I'm a bit nervous, so I'm trying to jump around a bit to cool down my nerves. And yeah, I always get like this before every show, so it's normal.
But why? Why do you get nervous?
I think it's an artist thing. Before you get on stage, the nerves actually helps because then adrenaline, everything comes into play, and then you give a good performance. So yep, it's just normal.
So the whole world can't wait to see Kitty on stage tonight. Of course, it's Ghana meets Nigeria.
Accurate.
I know you're Ghanaian, so obviously if I say which country is going to take it, you're going to say Ghana.
I just surprise you and say draw.
Yeah, it's gonna be draw.
Nah, Ghana is taking the hands now. Host and win. Okay, we don't go World Cup, so this will win a World Cup.
Okay. Have you ever performed on Ghana meets Nigeria?
Never. This is my first time. It's actually adding to the fact that I'm nervous, but yeah, I mean it all helps. It helps the craft, so I'm not bothered like that.
Right.
Yep.
But what exactly are you doing on stage? Are you doing live band?
I'm doing live and DJ, mix up of that
nice.
to give it that thick feel. So yeah, you guys keep your fingers crossed. We're about to shut it down tonight. Yep.
Keep it low. We're gonna definitely shut it down for you guys tonight. And watch out for me and Kitty. Hey. I suck, guys. I suck. Anyway, thank you so much, Kitty, for speaking to me. And we are still talking to the artists. And we have Stonebwoy on stage right now rehearsing. And that is actually my favorite song. It's going to be late tonight, they say. And as you can see, there's so much happening. If you look around, there are lots of technical people putting things together to make sure you have the perfect sound. And of course, they're going to make sure that you have the perfect visuals and everything that's going to contribute to making the show a successful one. And that is why I'm also here. I'm going to be your eyes and ears for every everything that's going to be happening today right here at Ghana Meets Naija. Let's take a look at Stonebwoy's performance on stage.
Let's look at what's going to happen here, please.
For Ghana Meets Naija tonight. And of course, you know he's heading it for Ghana today. And Wizkid is heading it for Nigeria. So right after that, we'll speak to him. But let's talk to Blaze. Apparently, he has all the juice on what is happening here tonight. How you doing, Blaze?
I'm okay, I'm good.
Okay. So what role are you playing in this organization?
The director of the event.
Like I said, he has all the scoop. So what should people expect tonight? How is tonight's concert going to be different from the previous years?
I mean, I didn't get you all. You know, it's so noisy. I didn't get you all.
How is this concert going to be different from the previous ones that have been held?
One, this is a bigger venue. And you can see the setup. It's very big. And listen, we have different artists. We have like 40 artists performing. You understand? And this setup hasn't happened anywhere. You can do this setup in conference center anywhere. You understand? So what we're doing now, we're doing sound check. I've done like 20 artists now. Now I'm doing I have 4 more to go, and the program starts at 7.
Who is a surprise artist tonight? I hear there's a surprise. I need to know.
There's a surprise art,
yeah.
But when I say it, it's not surprise again.
Okay. So people should just come and watch, right?
What?
People should just come and watch.
Yeah. Wizkid is bringing a surprise.
Wizkid is bringing a surprise. Whoop whoop. We look forward to that. Thank you so much.
And you guys should say, oh, I didn't come, I missed. So, if you haven't got your ticket, oh, sorry. I just like I was short of tickets, sorry.
He short of tickets, but definitely, guys, make sure you make your way here. I had the man, bim, 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 bim. Shall I have to salute you because you're the general, you're the general. Stonebwoy is heading the Ghanaian team tonight, and we are very excited. Charlie, what's dancehall?
No, I don't.
It's a dancehall this thing. Are you coming to?
I try something like that.
Yeah? Okay.
Try highlights, so I won't try dancehall. What's up?
I'm good, man. I'm good. What did you bring me from Apti?
Oh, ideas.
Yeah, I like the shirt you're wearing. So yeah, you come on, say that you go give me, then I go wear them. Yeah, I trust you. Anyway, so what's going into preparations for tonight? Of course, you're rehearsing right now on stage, and we are interacting.
We rehearse with the check sound. So say in a few hours, it's going to be on. This whole place is going to be fully packed. So watch, as empty as it looks, it's going to be fully packed in a few. And tonight is Ghana's night. Tonight is a night in the Ghanaian music industry where people will witness what we can do or what we have as artists from Ghana also, because the world is watching, like I always say. So I implore everybody who's watching right now to make sure they grab their tickets, premium, economy, business, wherever it is. Come out, come grab a seat, because Stonebwoy, I'm going to be here. Stonebwoy, I'm going to be performing. Don't know anything, it I got up. I'm telling you, me, Wizkid, Mayo Kun, Easy, Pata Peasy, Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, look, a host of all other surprises. Just, you don't know. Just come on. You don't know, you know.
Just come on, you don't know, innit? Yeah, you need to make sure you pass through. It's going to be a lit situation. I see Kelvin Boy, where is he? Is Kelvin Boy here? He's in the back. Okay, so I'll leave you to do your thing. I'm not going to interrupt with his rehearsal, but obviously you know it's going to be late. OG! How you doing, OG?
I'm good, how are you doing?
I'm very well. I hear you have a new artist, man. How's it going with her?
She's doing great. Her song is out there already. It's just a great miracle. We appreciate it. We appreciate the support too. It's everywhere. I might drop a little bit on stage tonight. Okay. But yeah, I'm doing something for my team. I'm bringing my team, Rough Records on stage. I'm a hype man for Stonebwoy tonight too as well. So I'm going to be on stage twice tonight. Yeah.
So what should people expect from OG? It's your first time actually MCing the Ghana Miss Naija, am I right? First time?
Now this is my second time. First time 2015. I was a hype man for Rough and Smooth.
Okay.
And today I'm a hype man for Stonebwoy.
Okay.
And also doing a little tribute for the team, you know, bringing the artists, you know, from Rough Town. Yeah, so a little surprise for them, you know.
Okay, a little surprise. We love surprises, so we are looking forward to that, and our fingers are crossed. Thank you so much, OG, for speaking to me. All right, so we're still speaking to people to get to know what they'll be doing tonight. And so far, I'm sure you guys have realized that there's a lot of hard work that's been put into the show, and definitely none of them are going to fail us tonight. The question is, who is going to win? Is it Ghana or Nigeria? Well, we would find out definitely, and that is why I said I am your eyes and your ears for tonight. So keep your eyes right here, okay?
Let's go. Yeah, man.
I'll talk to you. Anyway, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Your name, please.
Faganda.
And what are you doing here?
I'm here with Stonebwoy. I'm the head of security for Stonebwoy.
So you're making sure that nobody's on stage, to jump on stage to grab his shirt and all.
Sure. We are protecting him in terms of everything. For him to just be safe for the night. Sure.
What's the craziest experience you've had with a fan while Stonebwoy was on stage? The craziest experience?
A fan jumping on stage, you just hold him when he's performing.
And what did you do to that person?
We surely ensure that wouldn't happen. Because he needs to concentrate when performing.
You need to guide me too.
Sure, I will do that.
People have been worrying me.
Just come for me, I'm ready to do it for you.
Yay! Thank you so much. Hello. Your name, please?
I'm Kwame Jr.
Kwame Jr. Oh, I know some Kwame Jr. Anyway, so what are you also doing here?
I'm a Beam Nation member crew.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are some of the things you guys have done to prepare Stonebwoy for this concert?
I can imagine.
What have you guys done to prepare Stonebwoy? And of course, Kelvin Boy, because he's also under BIM Native. So what have you guys done in preparation for this concert?
Oh, tonight, people to expect something big. We prepared very, very well.
We'll be looking forward to that then. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're still speaking to people. We are still backstage. Yeah, in my camera, so yes. He's trying to run me. Oh, this is Stonebwoy's Inlaw. Daddy, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You're very well there.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay, Daddy, how do you find the whole rehearsal going?
It's amazing.
It's amazing, right?
And I like the arrangements too.
Okay, he definitely loves the arrangements. If you're not coming tonight, you're definitely missing out on everything exciting that will be happening right here inside the Dome. It's still gonna be tonight, and it's going to be super fun and exciting. So yes.